Okay.
This is a glorious toy hunt.
Back the ones you don't
Bobby
want.
Roode is WWE.
Glorious, glorious,
Check
glorious toy
The
hunt.
triples.
Yeah, Jay from Strike, the WWE action figure collector. Big W bag. It's Jay from Strike, the WWE action figure collector, and I did purchase the Mick Foley, and hopefully I can get the rest of them. 49. Hopefully I can get the rest of them next time. Yeah, but we're at Target, Australia, and there's nothing here.
59.
Yes, you're shitting me. Yes.
No, it's
Sound Slam Series 2. Press the
thought you were
button.
gonna joke
Yes,
again.
yes. I wanted this.
I am phenomenal.
Oh my god, I wanted this. Oh my god. Kid just looked at me. It's alright, mate. It's just a crazy collector. AJ Styles, I want it. Yes. Sound Slammers have hit. Where are we? Target. Australia. I can't believe it. People say they're shit, but I love them. Get Miz. Kurt Angle. Oh my
probably down the
god.
road, but who cares?
Oh my god, Kurt Angle.
You better give me the respect I deserve.
Yes, Kurt Angle. Is a full set here.
Robbie Roode.
Bobby Roode! This is glorious! Glorious toy hunt! Glorious! I can't believe it. Oh my god. The full set. I've got the full set, everybody. Oh my god. The Miz.
Kurt Angle.
Is there another Miz? This one's jumping
What
out.
about
Look how
Finn Balor?
scratched
You
up
haven't got
he
Finn
is.
Balor.
There's no Finn Balor. Terrible news.
Hang on.
Yes! What? I missed out on freaking Finn Balor, everybody. This
Might be down
sucks.
to the other one.
Oh my god. Finn Balor is the best, eh?
Which one?
I can't believe it.
Look at that, she's broken.
Oh my god. Her broke his broken
Here,
boxes.
Check.
Oh my
Miz.
god.
AJ Styles. So how many is there?
I don't want them. Oh, there's two Mizes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Really?
Really? Look how scratched he is.
Here.
Okay, there's two AJ Styles. Look at that new head sculpture with his puffy hair. it's really lame. He's a little squashed. That's a squashed face. Kurt
They might
Angle.
be down the road for the one you're missing.
Kurt Angle.
But I'd get them here.
Bobby
Now,
Roode.
one.
There's only one Bobby Roode. There's two Kurt Angles. All right. Let's see here. Two
Two Mizes.
two AJ Styles and two Kurt Angles. Look at that. That's awesome. Which one will I pick? Let's press them. Press them on that dick, of course. Yeah, what a ripper.
Integrity and intelligence.
Finn Balor's.
Good luck.
That must be the
You're
one
gonna
someone
need
took.
it.
Because there's
Kurt
one
Angle
missing.
is back.
So it was a box of what?
I'm the wrestling machine.
That's awesome. So I'm gonna get this one because it's not marked.
You better give me the respect I deserve. Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Cool. So Kurt Angle. I'm gonna get Kurt Angle.
So one is
I will
missing.
purchase this whole set. Finn Balor's gone. I can't believe it. Yes, I can. It's rare.
I am absolutely
Let's have a look around.
glorious.
Glorious.
Probably down town. But they never
Everything
have
I
anything
touch
in town.
and everything I do is big box office. Glorious.
Wow. And the Miz.
I'm the Miz, and I'm awesome. My hand goes up.
24
your mouth
bucks.
goes
Where
shut.
does it say that?
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Sound Slammers. They must have just got them in.
Really?
See,
Really?
there might be one around somewhere.
I'm the Miz, and I'm awesome.
Australia. They finally hit it, eh? Finally hit Australia.
Another bag. Got a bag.
USA got them years ago.
Give me a two-sweet. The house is AJ Styles built.
Yeah. Which ones will I buy?
Bag here.
I can't believe it.
Anyway, you can put some in that bag.
Yay. That one's marked. Which one will be the best? AJ Styles is my favourite. He's all beaten up there. Look, that's a shithead sculpture. That one's better. So I'm going to purchase that. I'm going to get that one. Everybody, Kurt Angle.
It's got marks on it. It's got marks on both.
I am absolutely glorious.
Glorious toy hunt.
It's got marks on it.
There's marks everywhere.
Yeah, that one's got more.
Did you see the mark? I mean the Miz? I am the mark. Look how marked he is. He's been stitched up there in his head. He's been, look how scratched up he is.
Give us the two Mizzies. That's the one.
Yep, this is good. Yeah, I know the one. Look how bashed up he is there. This is the best one.
Yeah, marks on them, eh?
Yeah, they should be
Because they're
cheaper.
open.
They should be cheaper though.
Hey, look,
Glorious.
he's got a mark right down the front.
I know. That's what I've been telling everybody.
Like
Look,
a-
all stitches.
Yeah.
Like he's been axed. Has he been axed?
Must be from his hair.
He's been axed
Right.
because he's so awesome.
Okay.
This is a glorious toy hunt.
Back the ones you don't
Bobby
want.
Roode is WWE.
Glorious, glorious,
Check
glorious toy
They're the
hunt.
triples.
Yeah.
No, they're the doubles.
Yeah, I wanted this one
Give me a look.
because that one's got a mark on his arm.
Where? Oh, yeah. So that's a better
There
one.
somewhere. I don't know.
Okay.
But the box is no good. I don't know which one to pick.
Isn't it?
Oh my god. Sound Slammer Series 2. That is awesome. That one, that one, that one, and that one. Great toy hunt, buying them all.
Yeah, well, you just
And
have a
tune
look
in
down
next
the road,
time,
because
everybody.
Finn's the best one. He might be down the road.
God damn it, I can't find Finn. Tune in next time where I'll get Finn Baylor. Alright, thank you for watching, everybody. Jake on Strider, WWE Action Figure Collector.